National Capital Territory. Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory. The total economic and legislative power is vested with the central government in the 1993 election in Delhi. Chief Minister and other ministers of the Assembly were formulated. The necessary 69th Constitutional Amendment Bill for it was passed by the Parliament on December 20, 1921. Indianism. Indian culture is full of dissimilarities. Different languages, customs, religions, and cultures are there in India. In spite of these differences, a sort of unity is there among all Indians. This is called Indianism. Equality of opportunities. Our constitution demands certain fundamental rights. The most important among them is the equality of opportunity. All citizens are to be protected with regard to their life and property. This means that the government should not discriminate any citizen with respect to his caste, religion, creed, or race. Ordinance. The power of establishing ordinance lies with the President and the governors. The President has the right to issue an ordinance only when the Parliament is not summoning. Similar is in the case with the governor. Such ordinance can be cancelled before their period by the Parliament and the Assembly. The rules and of the Constitution. The growth of the welfare of the people, providing them with social, economic, and political welfare. Providing equal wages to equal irrespective of gender. Providing help at times of old age, joblessness, and diseases. Providing suitable working environment conditions, trust, and the opportunity to work for the welfare of the society. Ensure the distribution of economy, avoid financial security to a particular group only, avoiding intoxicating drugs, providing free and compulsory education to the children till the age of 14, ensuring the smooth functioning of the village panchayats, to exempt the judiciary from the executive, protecting the national monuments, protecting the economic and educational interests of scheduled castes and tribes, providing agricultural and scientific help to the poor, avoiding slaughter of cows and giving protection to them, providing free legal help to those citizens who stand below the poverty line, ensuring participation of the wolves in the smooth functioning of the industries, providing environmental protection, protecting the forest and the wild animals. Avoiding inequality of status, minimize inequality in the difference in income, maintain peace and security at the national level, respect international rules and contracts. The real citizen. A real citizen should be totally aware of his rights and duties. He should be able to perform his duties well by judging the right from the bad. He should be aware of the national and international problem arising from time to time. He should also be able to have a judgment of himself regarding a common issue. He should be ready to serve the government and his fellow citizens. Moreover, he should abide by the rules and regulations of law and protect the rights of other people. Central government. Like all democratic governments, India too has its legislative, executive, and judiciary. The mode of rule of the center and the states is more or less the same. Unity in diversity. Indian culture is full of differences and dissimilarities. India has diverse cultures, religions, languages, and customs. An Indian, however, is aware that in spite of all these dissimilarities, there is a sort of unity in his mind. India's real power lies in this unity. In other words, these differences found in India is a power to her, not a weakness. More than 200 languages are spoken in India. It is quite natural that Indians like their mother languages. Since India is a secular republic, each and every citizen has the right to believe in the religion he likes. Each religion has the right to contribute something for the upliftment of Indian culture. Each religion has the right to protect its culture. However, the main spirit which promotes the integration of India is the unity of different cultures existing in India. This unity can well be viewed in our literature, art, and even sports. Habeas corpus. The rule to represent The route to present the illegally confined person before the court at the specified time, providing the reason for making such a confinement. Impeachment, the action taken by the drafting committee against an official of highest order, charging a serious crime as against us constitution. Thank you.